TikTok has added a new way to share content on their app called TikTok Now. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the TikTok Now feature. Now let's get started. What exactly is TikTok Now? If you've heard of the app Be Real, this format will be familiar to you. TikTok Now will send a notification to create a post on the spot at a random time each day. You have 3 minutes after opening the notification to capture your post. When you capture your TikTok Now, you'll snap a photo or video using the front and back camera on your device at the same time. This is a fun way to show your friends what you're up to and for you to see what your friends are doing. You can only see your friends' TikTok Now post for the day once you've posted your own. To post your first TikTok Now, make sure you've updated your TikTok app to the newest version. Then tap Now in the bottom menu. Tap the notification at the top to create your first TikTok Now. The 3-minute countdown will begin. Position your device where you like the front and back camera views. Then tap the shutter button to capture a photo or hold it down to take a video. If you aren't happy with how it turns out, tap Retake in the top right corner. Then tap Retake. Once you're happy with your photo or video, choose whether you want it to be visible to everyone or just your friends. Then tap the check mark at the bottom to post it. Once you've shared your first TikTok Now, Daily Now notifications will be enabled. You'll be notified once a day at a random time to share a TikTok Now post. After sharing your own TikTok Now, you'll be able to scroll down and see your friends' posts as well as public posts from other suggested users. When viewing others' TikTok Now posts, you can like and comment on them the same as you can with other posts on TikTok. If you decide you want to delete a TikTok Now post, tap the share icon in the top right corner of your post. Then tap Delete in the menu that appears at the bottom. In the pop-up, tap Delete to confirm. That does it for our guide to using TikTok Now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.